Hello viewers, welcome to my channel itechsolution. Today I will discuss on one concept of backup which is available in control panel. This is backup and restore C, and in this setup I want to create a backup of my folder. Suppose payment one. Here my data is pmt excel file. Now I want to create a wizard backup, and here is the in Windows 7 a small wizard will help to create a backup. Yes, backup wizard now, backup now, and this wizard will ask first where do you want to store the backup file. Yes, first is the backup or restore your file. Sorry, I have already scheduled, so I will stop here now. Stop backup. In this situation I will click change settings, because earlier backup one already has been set up. Now to change, click on change settings, and it will ask where you want to save your backup. So I will suppose save in the H drive. The desktop file is in my C drive, and I will send this backup to H drive. Okay, here this will be okay. Next, and here option is there. Windows will choose backup, that is system backup is suggested here, but I want to choose my own backup, so let me choose. Next, the file I have to select in C drive in the desktop area, so I will find out the desktop which will be in the user location. So user is my this, and this is my desktop, and payment one is to backup, which I have already told you. So I can select the image, system image also here, but I will not select because it will take more time to backup your system. So if you want to create a backup copy of your system, that is check here, include a system image of drive C drive. So next, and I check whether any other portion is checked here. No, there is no other portion is checked here, so it will okay. And this is selected file, and here is the change schedule, and previous backup time is 11 AM. I have already set for new backup. I can set you for 12 AM suppose. It suggests only one backup at a time, so I will change this time to 12 AM. 12 PM. Okay, it's okay. Every day, yeah, that is Monday and in weekdays. Okay, now it will create a backup. So here is the option, save and run backup. So see here, yes, it is already set, and yes, the backup is in progress, it is shown, and I have set it in the H drive, so the desktop file will create a backup in H drive. So let us see. So it is done in this drive, H drive. So I have to check whether it is backing up or not, and after that I can select the command restore my files. If I could to change backup or restore my file in next later time, so I will check this file whether the backup is created or not. So see here, Here the icons of backup is here. Yes, it is creating some backup files here because it was not there in its drive. So if I want to restore this, I can check here itself. It is the file kept here is the original file in the folder pmt1. So the file was pmt. So checked here whether it is okay. So I can directly right click on this and select restore options here. So let us see, restore a file from this. Yes, and browse. Yes, browse. So here it is, backup drive H, backup of C. It's okay. Select this file. Now create, and here is the user option, and here is the backup option, and here is the location, and here is the file plan. Yes, it is already there. So now selection is okay. Yes, I have find out the file here from this folder of H drive. So it will ask to select again whether it will restore in that place or any other location. So I will suppose save it in another location. So which is suppose D drive, no, E drive. No, there is much more folder here, so I will create in the C drive itself. Okay. So if it is allowed here, I click on restore now. Here restore button is here, restore here. So I think it is did not complete because C drive is not allowing this. So I should select a folder here. So I will pause it. I will again take it as restore wizard, browse for file. Yes, it is okay, and this is okay. Now again I will add this and say wizard is next, location is suppose change the location, N drive suppose I will go to the N drive. Yes, okay, it should allow me go to the Z drive, and means Z drive, new drive. Yes, restore is yes, your file have been restored. Now it is okay. I think it is H drive, but I will get my file in also in the Z drive too. So here my folder is P in P P yes, P yes, that was a Excel file. So I directly show pmt Excel file here. Yes, this is pmt. Okay, so this is done. So thank you guys for viewing this video, and you will try it once and it will be clear to you and very easy for taking backup in another drive too also. Thank you.